Okay, I wanted to show how to reassemble either a VW Polo or Lupo lock assembly, which are quite prone to break-in. I had a couple of problems. One broke on my girlfriend's and then another broke on my mum's, so I figured it was quite a common problem. When I was looking, I couldn't find a video, so I thought I'd put this quick reassembly video together for you guys. First thing I found was it was really hard to twist the spring and do all the work, so I needed something to compress the spring with, and I found that a mini mag light would work. And what I did was unscrew the end cap here, and just file a slot here, and I did that with just a standard nail file, and I'll show you how to use that a bit later. So this is the lock, and normally either there's a couple of parts that generally break. It's either the paddle or the spring retainer or the circlip that holds it all together. So you'll get a pack of all those parts, including a new spring, and I'll just very quickly show you how to reassemble it. Okay, first things first, this piece with, if you can see that there, this here goes towards the handle of the lock, and it just slips over like that, nice and easy, nothing too complex here. Next piece is the upper collar. Now you'd assume this goes on last, it actually goes on next. You can put it on last, but it just makes the whole process a lot easier if you put it on now. And then the spring, a lot of people get confused with this because you don't know which way up it goes. Obviously when you take the whole lot apart, obviously sometimes this is already out of the system, so you just don't know how it goes back together. The truth of the matter is it doesn't matter. I always put that side in first. And this is where my handy gizmo comes in really. What I'm going to do is put this second tail, which is here on the spring, into the slot of the mag light. Push down, twist, like so, and just keep pushing down. Keep pushing down, and it will want to spring back up. What you need to do is get your nail file, hold the tail down, the tail of the spring down while you take the mag light out, pop in the paddle, here it is, and you want to make sure, bollocks, let me just do that again. Like I say, it's a bit tricky, but you will get there, I promise. Let me just pop it on there. Again, push down. Okay, now you want to get this paddle, and if you can see, there's a sort of cutout with two ears at the top there. That faces the handle of the assembly, so it goes that way around. I don't know how clearly you can see that. In the meantime, what you need to do is get the mini mag light out. So I hold the tail of the spring down using a nail file, pop that out, get the paddle the right way round, which is that way, pop it over the post, push down like that. That's the paddle assembly onto the lock like that, and the last piece is just slip in the circlip, nice and easy, just like that, let go, and that's a job done. Thanks for watching, hope you found it helpful.